วัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe I haven't cooked a vegan or vegetarian dish for a while and it has been requested recently so today I will cook Kiew Nam a mushroom wonton soup with a lot of healthy and yummy vegetables are you ready let's go wonton skin sesame oil, black pepper, mushroom soy sauce, onion, coriander root, carrot, white radish, green onion, pak choi, sugar, shiitake mushroom, salt, cornstarch, water. Let's prepare veggies for soup. I will use half of onion for soup and the other half for wonton, same as carrot. I doing this because it will give better smell for the soup. Let's start the soup. Add water. Once the water is boiling, add coriander root, onion, carrot, white radish, and shiitake mushroom. Also add 2 teaspoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of mushroom soy sauce, and some black pepper. Turn to medium to low heat and let it cook for 30 minutes to 1 hour. While your soup is cooking, prepare vegetables for your wonton. I'm not crying, okay? I separate it because that part is too hard to eat. For pak choi, we will cut only the bottom because we can't really eat it. Now time to fry all the veggies. Add onion. Add carrot. Mushroom and green onion. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of mushroom soy sauce. Some salt. Some black pepper. Mix cornstarch with water. Add cornstarch. And mix it well.
And now the fun part, make the wonton.
Last step before eating, boil pak choi and wontons. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. You can optionally add grilled garlic on top. The vegetables inside the wonton is still crunchy and very yummy. And healthy, of course. And voila! Bon appetit! I've read somewhere that some vegan people, they don't eat garlic and onion. But I can't figure out why. If you know, can you please tell me? As always, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video and share it. Also, shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย สวัสดีค่ะ everyone. Monday, new recipe. I've read somewhere that I can't figure out why. If you tell sorry